Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Otter.AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar, just type in Otter.AI and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Otter.AI. Now, in order to sign up and create a new account, just click on the Start for Free button at the top right corner. Now you can choose what kind of account you would like to start with, either basic or business trial. Click on either one of the options that is suitable for you, and then you will be taken to the sign up page. Now you can either create your account using your email address or with your Google or Microsoft account. Just type in your email address and click on the Create Account button, then click on the Continue button, and now you will be allowed to set up your password. Just type in your desired password and click on the Next button. Now just type in your first and your last name and click on the Next button. Finally, you will be asked to verify your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find a verification email from Otter.AI. Just open up this email and click on the Confirm Email Address button, and now your verification will be successful. You will be asked to select your video conferencing software. Just select whichever you use and click on the Next button. You can skip through the offers by clicking on the Skip button. And now you will be logged into your account with Otter.AI. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Otter.AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.